What if the life you want is not waiting on luck, but on discipline? What if the future you keep dreaming about is already standing at the edge of your daily habits, waiting for you to become the person who can hold it? And what if the only thing separating you from a powerful life is not talent, not money, not timing, but the courage to think differently and act consistently? Most people never change because they keep waiting for a perfect moment. They wait for motivation. They wait for confidence. They wait for permission. But the truth is, the people who build extraordinary lives do something very different. They start before they feel ready. They keep going after the excitement disappears. They build in silence, while everyone else is busy talking. This is the story of how ordinary people become powerful. This is the story of how small daily choices become a new identity. This is the story of how the 2% mindset changes everything. Your life does not change because you admire success. Your life changes when you become committed to the habits that create success. That is the first lesson. Not inspiration, commitment. Not excitement, consistency. Not talk, action. Every person you admire has paid a price you do not always see. They have been disciplined in the hours nobody noticed. They have been rejected, doubted, delayed, and tested. And yet they kept building. That is why growth is not for everyone. Not because everyone is incapable, but because not everyone is willing to stay uncomfortable long enough to transform. The 2% mindset begins when you stop asking, "What do I feel like doing today?" and start asking, "What does my future self need me to do today?" That one question can change your entire life. Because the future is not built in giant jumps. It is built in repeated decisions. The way you wake up, the way you speak to yourself, the way you handle pressure, the way you use your time, the way you respond when life does not go your way. Small things become big things. Tiny habits become identity. Repeated choices become destiny. You do not need to transform your whole life in one day. You need to begin with one disciplined decision. Then another. Then another. Maybe today that decision is to stop scrolling and start learning. Maybe it is to wake up earlier. Maybe it is to train your body. Maybe it is to save money instead of spending carelessly. Maybe it is to say no to distractions that keep stealing your focus. Maybe it is to finally begin the thing you have been postponing for months. Whatever it is, do not underestimate it. The smallest action done consistently can become the greatest force in your life. Most people think success comes from big moments, but big moments are usually the result of small invisible ones. The unseen practice, the lonely repetition, the quiet commitment, the work done when nobody is clapping. That is where power is built. And this is why the 2% mindset matters. Because most people live in reaction. They react to moods. They react to problems. They react to fear. They react to comfort. They react to what others say. But powerful people are not ruled by reaction. They are guided by purpose. Purpose gives direction. Discipline gives movement. Consistency gives results. When you combine all three, your life starts to shift in a way that feels almost unstoppable. There will be days when you feel tired. Days when you feel confused. Days when nothing seems to be working. Days when the old version of you tries to return. That is normal. The difference is not whether you face resistance. The difference is what you do when resistance appears. Do you quit? Do you delay? Do you make excuses? Or do you keep going? The 2% mindset says, keep going. Not recklessly, not blindly, but steadily. A powerful life is not built by people who never struggle. It is built by people who refuse to surrender to struggle. Let that sink in. The world will always reward consistency more than noise. A quiet person who works every day will always outgrow a loud person who only speaks every day. A focused person with a plan will always move farther than a distracted person with potential. A disciplined person with ordinary talent will often beat a talented person with no discipline. That is the part many people hate to hear. But it is the truth. You do not need to be the smartest in the room. You need to be the most committed to becoming better. You do not need to know everything. You need to be willing to learn. You do not need to start perfect. You need to start honestly. Because growth begins with honesty. Be honest about where you are. Be honest about what is holding you back. Be honest about the habits that are destroying your progress. Be honest about the excuses that sound reasonable but keep you stuck. Once you are honest, you can begin to change. And change does not always feel dramatic. Sometimes change feels small, boring, and almost invisible. But that is exactly why it works. Because it is real. A new standard. A new level of self-respect. A new refusal to live below your potential. One of the greatest decisions you can make is to stop negotiating with the version of yourself that keeps settling for less. That version will always say, tomorrow, later, not today. You're too tired. It's not that serious. You can start again next week. And if you keep listening, years pass. Years that could have been used to build. Years that could have been used to heal. Years that could have been used to grow. So today is not just another day. Today is a decision point. Will you keep living the same story? Or will you start writing a better one? The 2% mindset does not ask you to become someone else. It asks you to become more of who you were meant to be. Stronger, calmer, more focused, more honest, more disciplined, more intentional, more powerful. And powerful does not mean loud. It means aligned. Aligned with your goals. Aligned with your values. Aligned with the life you want to build. You do not need to prove your growth to everyone. You do not need to announce every move. You do not need to explain every step. Just build. Build your habits. Build your confidence. Build your skill. Build your self-control. Build your future in silence, if necessary. Because when the results show up, they will speak louder than your words ever could. There is a version of you that is waiting, not in some magical future. Right now. Waiting behind the next decision you make. That version of you wakes up with purpose. That version of you respects time. That version of you does not waste energy on nonsense. That version of you finishes what they start. That version of you knows how to say no. That version of you knows how to stay focused when life gets noisy. And you do not reach that version by accident. You reach them by practice. Practice showing up. Practice staying focused. Practice doing hard things without drama. Practice being consistent when nobody notices. Practice refusing to give your power away to distraction. This is how powerful lives are built. Not overnight, not by chance, but by design. And if you are listening to this right now, maybe this is your moment. Maybe this is the moment you stop waiting. Maybe this is the moment you stop doubting. Maybe this is the moment you stop calling your potential someday and start calling it today. Because the truth is, your life can change. Your habits can change. Your standards can change. Your identity can change. And when your identity changes, everything else follows. You begin to move differently. You begin to speak differently. You begin to think differently. You begin to live differently. That is the power of the 2% mindset. If this message spoke to you, then this channel is for you. Here, we don't just talk about motivation. We build mindset, discipline, growth, and the kind of inner strength that changes real lives. So if you want more videos that push you to think differently, live powerfully, and become the best version of yourself, subscribe now. Join the movement. Stay connected. Grow with us. Because the next video might be the one that shifts your thinking. The next message might be the one that changes your habits. And the next step you take might be the one that changes your life. Subscribe now, and let's keep growing together.